Okay, dear students, ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ കാണുന്നത് സോഴ്സസ് ഓഫ് ഫിനാൻഷ്യൽ ഇൻഫർമേഷൻ. നമ്മൾ കണ്ടു വാട്ട് ആർ ദി ഇൻവെസ്റ്റ്മെൻറ്റ് അവന്യൂസ്, എവിടൊക്കെ നമുക്ക് പണം ഇൻവെസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യാം. പിന്നെ നമ്മൾ കാണുന്ന ഇൻവെസ്റ്റർ ഗാസ് ടു ഗെറ്റ് ഫിനാൻഷ്യൽ ഇൻഫർമേഷൻ. നമ്മൾ അക്കൗണ്ടിങ് ഫോർ മാനേജ്മെൻറ്റിലൊക്കെ മാനേജ്മെൻറ്റ് അക്കൗണ്ടിങ്ങൾ പഠിച്ചു അല്ലേ. ഇൻവെസ്റ്റർ ഷുഡ് ഗെറ്റ് ഡീറ്റെയിൽഡ് ഇൻഫർമേഷൻ അബൌട്ട് ദ കമ്പനി. Then only he can take a decision regarding where the fund is to be invested. In order to evaluate investment alternatives and making an investment decision, investors are needed to analyze and study the past, present and future performance of different investment alternatives and their economic and market conditions. For making good analysis and investment decision, investors collect information from various sources. ഒന്നാമത്തെയാണ് ആനുവൽ റിപ്പോർട്ട്. Annual reports are published by public companies. You know that every public companies, according to Companies Act, they are required to publish their financial statements, yearly financial statements. The annual report include profit and loss account and balance sheet with explanatory note, auditor's suggestion, chairman's statement about past 5 to 10 year performance of the company and future proposals of the company. Okay, so annual report is a must. From the annual report, the intending investor can get a detailed picture about the company. Second one is prospectus. You know, every company, especially every public company, when they want to issue shares or securities to the public, they have to prepare a document. Prospectus is an invitation to the general public to subscribe to the securities issued by the company. So prospectus is a legal document issued by the company to the public for subscribing to the securities, shares or debentures of the company. It contains detailed information about the company. It is a main source of document. By depending on that prospectus, the investor can come to know about the company. Already in the Companies Act you have studied that. Third one, newspaper and journals. Newspapers and journals are also providing financial information of companies. Usually we know that feature columns കൊടുക്കാറുണ്ട്. Feature columns such as investors guide, then companies profiles, report, companies news and comments and business notes etc. are provided. On the basis of that, investor can get information about the company. Next one, investment guide. We know that some expert agencies are publishing investment guides for providing valuable financial information. For example, Kothari's Economic and Investment Guide of India. It is a yearly publication of Kothari and Sons. It is an important source of information. And this guide contains a lot of data on individual companies. അതാണ് investment guides and reports. Next one is Stock Exchange Official Directory. Stock Exchange Official Directory is another important source of financial information. It includes information about all the companies whose shares are listed in the stock exchange. You know, listing of securities in the stock exchange. Such a company's details will be provided in the official directory of the stock exchange. It gives a brief history and progress, as well as it contains balance sheet and financial statement, that is balance sheet and P&L account for a period of 20 years. And along with that important financial ratios and their trend over the past 5 to 10 years are also published. So these are the main sources of information about the company.